Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group. Have you been in Winding Cypress here in Naples, Florida recently? Oh my goodness, if you haven't, you probably haven't seen this fabulous clubhouse that they have. Now, this amenity-rich, low HOA fee community is by far a wonderful place to call home. We're gonna go in and check out all the things they have on the inside, but if you haven't been here, it's something you're gonna wanna see. So let's go in and check out the amenities. So what a cool space to have a book, sit down in a beautiful chair, and just read to your heart's content. Now you can check these in and out, add to the library or not. Although the Naples Collier County Free Library also, the library card, is just up the street. So you've got a lot of choices if you're a reader. Here we are at this gorgeous pool. Can you just imagine hanging out here every day? And best yet, there's a restaurant. So looking for that adult beverage or an iced tea, you can have it all here in Winding Cypress.